lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great and delicious recipe. All Africa Purpose Jollof Stew. Did you hear that? If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, as I said, we are going to be making All Africa Purpose Jollof Stew. This stew was absolutely perfect. Like when I said perfect, it was. Oh my goodness. You can see the look on this stew. You can see the delicious look. You can use this for your yam, almost everything, your beans, name it. And it can also save your time anytime you want to cook. I make mine, so many of it, and I drop it in the freezer. Anytime I want to make use of it, I just bring it out. Dum dum dum. I am there. So if you want to know how I prepare this stew, you will not want to miss anything from this video. Remember to stay tuned and let's dive into it. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients we need for this stew. Here is my bell pepper, onions, two types of onions, the red and the white one, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and my ginger. And the other ingredient is porridge, which we know as fresh onions. We are going to dice everything, then we'll blend the onions and let's start cooking. I will be leaving this for the frying. So after dicing all the onions, I will add my extra virgin olive oil to blend the onions. Don't add water. After blending, you can see my oil is ready to fry out this stew. Oh my goodness. I have my oil here. You can use any ground oil of your choice. This is the groundnut oil I am using, so it's already on my pot. I will add bay leaf. I will add fresh onions leaf. I will also add rosemary leaf. You can use any ingredients for your aroma. So after I allowed those ingredients to sit inside the oil for some minutes, I decided to remove it. So I left one bay leaf inside the oil for more aroma. Then I will add my red onions that give it a note. That is optional. You can decide to skip it after the rest ingredient that we have added into that oil earlier. For some minutes, then I decided to add my blended onions. I will allow it to cook for some minutes. As we allow the onion to sit for some minutes to steam, then we'll go ahead with the rest ingredient. The rest ingredient have been diced. We'll go ahead and blend it. At this stage, you can see we are stirring our onions, and you can see is already steamed. The oil is separated from the onions sauce. We'll go ahead and add the remaining blended ingredients, which is bell pepper, garlic, and every other ingredient that you saw me blending earlier. So at this stage, we are going to allow all the blended ingredients to cook together, like get married to each other, so that everything will steam together. And you can see our onions and other blended ingredients is going well. So we are going to allow this to cook for 5 minutes more, while we go ahead opening all our tomato paste and tomato sauce. Here I have my multi tomatoes. I also have my Derica tomatoes paste. Yes, Derica tomatoes paste. This is so good and so red, you can see it. So I did use so many of these because I want the stew to be much a little bit. But if you want more than this, use more than what I use. If you want less than this, use less of what I use. At this stage, we are going to be adding our paste. This is well steamed. You can see everything is separated from the oil. The oil is on top of the stew. That shows that it's well steamed. So after adding the tomato paste, remember to stir it very well. Just continue to stir because you will not allow the stew to get burnt. Once you leave it, it's going to get burnt. Like stew easily get burnt, so you have to stir it. After everything, I decided to leave it for some minutes as well. You can leave it as much as you want your stew to cook. So guys, you can see the look. After the paste have cooked for 5 to 7 minutes, I will add my tomato sauce. You can see the look on the stew already. We can see the yumilicious look. Oh my goodness, this is so perfect with any type of Africa jollof you want to make. I am going to be using this for Ghana jollof rice, Nigeria jollof rice, beans, anything. Make sure it is going to actually go for everything, and make sure you try out this recipe and you are going to love it. So guys, you can see my stew is well steamed. After adding the tomato sauce, I decided to leave it for 10 minutes, and you can see the look on the stew can tell that everything is well mixed and steamed. At this stage, we are going to add all the required ingredients. I am adding my bay leaf already. Keep watching and I know you will enjoy every bit of this video. I will add my all-purpose ingredients. I will also add my curry powder, 2 spoons. I will add my jollof rice seasoning as well. I will add my paprika. You can measure this if you want. I will add my extra spicy. This is so spicy. It has so many ingredients mixed together, so you have to be careful when you are adding into your food. Just add a little, as I want to add a little of it. So we are going to stir everything together. So don't add water anytime you are making your jollof stew. so that you can get the perfect smoking stew. So we'll also add salt. So at this stage, we are going to allow the stew to sit for 40 to 45 minutes. As you can see, our stew is going perfectly well. So guys, as we allow the stew to continue cooking, oh my goodness, I want to say a very big thank you to all my amazing subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thank you all so much for always tuning in. You guys are awesome and amazing. May God bless you all. And for my new subscriber, thank you all so much for joining this amazing family. You will never regret being here. If you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed to our channel. Oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Subscription is absolutely free of charge. Go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe. Make sure you put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. Thank you for doing that. So you can see the stew is well cooked. We'll go ahead and transfer my stew. Tell me what you think about this recipe, and make sure you give it a try. It's going to save you from every stress anytime you want to make any food for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, you love what you just watched, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. Please subscribe. Your subscriptions matters a lot. Oh my goodness. Thank you all for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.